A new study has found that xylitol, a low-calorie sweetener commonly used in reduced sugar foods and products like gum and toothpaste, may be linked to nearly double the risk of heart attacks, stroke, and death for those who consume it at high levels. Dr. Stanley Hazen, the senior study author and director at the Cleveland Clinic, noted that after healthy volunteers consumed a typical xylitol drink, their xylitol levels increased 1,000-fold. This is far higher than the glucose level increase from sugar. Dr. Hazen emphasized that humans have not experienced such high levels of xylitol until recent decades, with the rise of sugar-substituted processed foods. Additional lab and animal research has revealed that both xylitol and erythritol, another low-calorie sweetener, may cause blood platelets to clot more readily. Clots can break off and travel to the heart, triggering a heart attack, or to the brain, causing a stroke. Even modest consumption of xylitol in a typical drink showed significant changes in platelet behavior. Cardiologist Dr. Matthew Tomey, who was not involved in the study, highlighted that while the experiments are intriguing, they do not conclusively prove that platelet abnormalities are solely responsible for the observed health risks. Despite this, the potential for increased clotting activity is concerning, as reducing clotting is a key treatment for cardiovascular disease. The study points out that by 2050, 61% of American adults are predicted to have cardiovascular disease. Given this, any additional clotting caused by sugar alcohols like xylitol is worrisome. Cardiologists already use medications to counter platelet activity during heart attacks, so substances that enhance clotting are particularly problematic. Carla Saunders, president of the Calorie Control Council, an industry association, argued that the study's findings contradict decades of evidence supporting the safety of low-calorie sweeteners. However, Dr. Hazen warns that people at risk for diabetes, who are often advised to use these sweeteners, may be the most vulnerable to their potential adverse effects. Xylitol is found naturally in foods such as cauliflower, eggplant, lettuce, mushrooms, spinach, plums, raspberries, and strawberries, but in tiny amounts. Commercial xylitol, often derived from corn cobs or birch trees, is used extensively because it is cheaper to produce than cane sugar and is marketed as a natural, low-carb, and keto-friendly sweetener. Despite its benefits in managing blood sugar levels, recent findings suggest xylitol may not be as safe as previously thought. The World Health Organization has recommended further research into the long-term toxicity of low and no-calorie sweeteners and advised against their use for weight loss. This study shines a light on the potential risks of sugar substitutes. While more research is needed, it serves as a reminder that sugar substitutes are no replacement for a commitment to a healthy diet and lifestyle. To minimize risks, consider switching to water, unsweetened tea, or coffee. Stay informed and make healthy choices.